National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Newcastle County in northern Delaware until 3:45 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Pleasant or near Middletown, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicating. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Middletown, Newcastle, Delaware City, St. George's, Fort Penn, Mount Pleasant, Glasgow, Bear, and Odessa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: Newcastle, Delaware,